In this video we'll give an introduction to simple interest. Now the main thing is to know the difference between compound interest and simple interest. For simple interest, you earn interest only on your initial amount, the principal. For compound interest, that over time you not only earn interest on your initial amount, but you also earn interest upon the interest that you've already earned. Now for most applications in the real world, simple interest is used only for short time period loans. Now the first formula you need to know is the formula which gives you the amount of interest that is earned or builds up over amount of time t. So this formula says that if the simple interest I on P dollars, so P is the initial amount, at an interest rate of R per year for T years is I equals to P times R times T. So again, I is the amount of interest that has built up, P is the initial amount invested, R is the interest rate, don't forget to put the interest rate in decimal form, and T is the number of years. Now one of the things you need to make sure about T is remembering that T is in terms of years, so they give you the time in terms of months, you got to convert it to years or days or so on. Now let's look at an example. Now if $3,000 is loaned for 4 months at 4.5% annual rate, how much interest is earned? So for this example, we're told that P is 3,000, R in decimal form is 0.045, and that T, the time in years, is 4 over 12, which would be 1/3, because again, they give us 4 months, not 4 years. And we're trying to find I. That's what it is you got to do for a lot of these finance problems, is they give you some of the information and you just got to see what is the thing that they're looking for and then use the right formula to find that unknown. So you plug in 3,000 times 0.045 times 1/3 into your calculator and you would get 45. So answering this as a complete sentence, $45 in interest is earned. So what this means is after 4 months, when you want to pay off the loan, not only do you have to pay the $3,000, but you got to pay $45 on top of it as well.